Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, privacy glass, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.